In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your images move in CapCut AP. If you want to add movement to your images, whether it's a zoom in or zoom out animation or something else, just follow my steps and watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. First, I'll add 2 different photos to my timeline, and I'll apply 2 separate movement animations to each picture. We can add movement like zoom in or zoom out effects by adding keyframes to the photos. To begin, go to the start of your image and add a keyframe. You'll find the keyframe button in the middle of the screen, and a keyframe will be added at the beginning of your image. Next, go to the end of the image and scale the image with your finger if you want to create a zoom-in animation. When you do that, a keyframe will automatically be added for the scale. You can also click on the image in the timeline and drag it up, down, left, or right to adjust its position. This will automatically add a keyframe to the position option as well. Now that we've added our keyframes, when I play the video, you'll see the image move, creating a nice zoom-in effect. You can easily add different types of movement to your images in CapCut just by using keyframes. You can zoom out, move the photo from left to right, and much more. And that's how you can make your images move and add movement in CapCut app. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.